hope you see this before August 28th. Now, before the end of the year, I need us to position. Oh, we are talking money, yeah? Oh, if this is your first time seeing me, I'm Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a lessons learned in the Nigerian market, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. There is something that people usually do when it comes to the new year. They want, oh, new year, I'm going to start investing in stock and this and that. But do you know the people that make the most money? People that position before every other person. Why others are waiting for 2027 to position in the companies, in the sector they want to buy, you and I, because you are a part of this financial family, we are getting in right now. We did this last year. We're in the middle of the year, before the the Ember month, because that is when the big asset managers, PFAs, towards the end of the year, they start reshuffling their portfolio. They're looking for what to put in, what to take out. We want to do that before then. We have already looked at the stocks they are likely to position in and want to get in before them, so that by that time, as the price is going up, we are already in, right? So as a community, we usually come together, and this month, we're doing it August 28th. We do this once every year. We're answering just one question: where is the money moving to right now? I and other 1,000 investors, the goal is to become profitable investors. We shall be in that workshop, investing and making money from the Nigerian stock market. I know you are probably investing, but how profitable are you? So it's in two ways. Number one, we are going to take time for those that don't really know what this stock investing is all about, or investing in the Nigerian stock market is all about. I'm going to guide you step by step, show you how we'll buy a stock live and direct. And then the second part is the interesting part, where we now answer the question: where is the money going to? Which stocks and sectors? See, we are giving you a list of amazing companies based on research we believe are going to do well. If you know Coach Oge, the best stock analyst I know, he's going to show you why. A lot of things have been happening in the economy. There's been the Iran war, election is coming, Dangote listing is coming. Some of these things point to opportunities. Do you know these opportunities? Do you know these sectors? Do you know these companies? When we did this last year, every single stock we mentioned, we asked you to go and explore. All of them are in good money. Some have done over 200%. Go and check the likes of Mikio, the likes of Presco, and all of that. They have made so much money for us. And this year we go again. You need to be in that workshop. The goal is 1,000 profitable investors. Get in before we reach our number. It's only 15,000 naira or $10 only for you to join us. Join today before the price changes. It's happening on August 28th. It's going to be a virtual class, so you can join from every part of the world. I'm going to leave the link on the description. I'm going to also pin it in the comments. Go to the link now, follow and join that workshop. I will see you on August 28th.